YouTube. I am Alexis, and this video is about teachers. I know my hair look a mess. Just don't mind my hair, it look a hot mess. But yeah, this video is about teachers. I'm sure all of y'all had teachers who get on y'all nerves, who always constantly telling you something. Or if you went out with somebody at the school when they always telling you something. That blows me. Like, they always got to be in your business and always got to be behind you when you walking by a bar who like you or something. They always got to be behind you and getting on your nerves. And I hate that. They be getting on my nerves that. And this is a video to get... This is like the only way I can get my anger out is by making videos. And I'm about to get my anger out because I hate when teachers do that. It's like they need to mind their business, Lord. Like, I can see it's not even all teachers. It's certain kinds of teachers that do that stuff. And they be getting on my nerves. I be want to punch them in their face sometimes. I don't know why. I just be want to punch them in their face. They be getting on my nerves. But I'm going to show them. All the teachers take me for a joke. They think I be laughing at stuff with them.